Hello and welcome to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Millie, and today I'm going to be doing a 4 looks 1 palette video, but it will be a little bit different. This is going to be Throwback Thursday themed. Now this is definitely not a new concept by any means. This video has been done by plenty of YouTubers such as Gooch and ThatGirlShaeXo. The credit goes to really everybody who has done this before me. I thought it would be really fun for me to dip into some palettes that I might have not filmed with, or that I have filmed with but it's been a while, especially nowadays when everybody's trying to buy less and just use up what they have. So today I'm going to be using the Menagerie Cosmetics Affair palette. This has released I think last year or the year before, I don't remember exactly. I don't have a video up with this palette yet, but I have been using it off camera here and there, and this is what it looks like just in case you haven't seen it. It has a beautiful color story. These two used to be like beige nudes and they ended up switching them out, which I'm really happy about because I think that really made this palette even more exciting and more colorful. One of my most favorite shades, maybe of all time even, not just Menagerie shades, is Wolfling. Oh my god, it's just so beautiful. It's almost like a multi-chrome, but like not quite, but it has an effect of a multi-chrome. It's just absolutely stunning. I'm obsessed with it, and I will not be giving you a review at the end of the video because I'm just kind of gonna do a voiceover and talk through the shades. And I love this palette. I don't really have many issues. I do think that it works better on some bases than others, but that's about it. So now let's get into the looks. So for this first look, I'm priming with the ABH primer, and I'm tapping it out, and I'm not setting it this time. And first I'm going in with Mariposa in the crease and keeping it pretty low because I will be blending the yellow into it. So then I go in with Night Eyes and I start just building it on top and blending it. And it kind of stuck down, so I went back in with Mariposa. And this will be a pretty quick and easy look. Next, I'm just gonna use my finger to put on Pack Leader all over the lid. And while it was definitely metallic, it's a very soft metallic, and I felt like I wasn't getting enough shine. So I sprayed my brush and I went back in, and it helped a lot. To connect my lower lash line, I'm going back in with Mariposa, and then on the edges of that, I'm blending in Night Eyes, just so that it matches what's going on in my crease. And I'm lining my waterline with the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in Absolute Zero. And for the inner corner, I'm using Lunar Spectrum from Terra Moons. This is the first finished look. For the second look, again, I'm priming with the ABH primer and I'm not setting it. And I'm going in with Canis Lupus in my crease. And this kind of stuck down and was hard to blend out. And then on the outer edge of my lid, I'm going in with Ivy, and I'm kind of putting it on at an angle, and then I'm just gently blending out the edge. Next, I'm going in with the NYX Pigment Primer. Now this is different from their glitter primer. This one feels a little bit more slippery. I haven't really used this much, so I wanted to try it out. And on top of that, I'm going in with Huchera, and I'm just blending that out. And then on their lower lash line, I'm going in with Ivy. And then Night Eyes on the inner portion. And I'm tight lining with the ColourPop Eye Pencil in Electric. And I'm using Light Year for the inner corner and under the brow highlight. So this is the second look. You can see there was a little bit of patchiness happening. I think it was the pigment primer. So for this third look, I decided to try my Makeup Revolution Caprice Canvas. And I gotta say right off the bat, such a big difference. I think I definitely prefer this primer, but I'm going in with Harmonia in the crease and I'm kind of blowing it out. And then on the inner third and on the outer third, I'm going in with Allium, which is this really stunning purple. And I'm gently going to blend that up into Harmonia, but not too much. I'm not trying to mix them too much. And then in the center, I'm going to do like a halo eye. So I'm going in with the Peely Space in shade 0 and making sure I cut above my crease. I'm just tapping that on and tapping out the edges a little bit. And then on the lid, I'm packing on Wisteria. And then going back in with allium just to make sure that those edges are nice and blended. For the lower lash line, I'm connecting the outer portion of my crease with allium. And then going with wisteria in the center. And I'm using Zero Gravity for the inner corner highlight. And this is a third and finished look. I definitely much prefer this eye base with this formula. It just worked so much better and I love this color combination. So for this fourth look, I again went in with the Makeup Revolution cut crease canvas. And in the crease, I'm going in with Mariposa and I'm just building that up to get a really nice vibrant red. And I'm going to create an eyeshadow wing with a small pencil brush from Rougher. Next, I'm using the NYX Pigment Primer again, and I'm putting it all over my lid and kind of tapping it out because I don't want any harsh edges. And I'm placing Wolfling over it, which is absolutely stunning. It's just such a magical shade. And then I'm connecting my lower lash line with Alpha, and I'm adding just a little bit of red to really make it pop. And for the inner corner highlight, I'm going in with Red Giant from Terra Moons. This is my absolute favorite. And this is the fourth and finished look. Let me know in the comments below which look was your favorite. And if you're interested in more Throwback Thursday videos, thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you next time.